Welcome back to the new session today. I will talk about some basic telephone conversation. It's really important, it's really effective because let us suppose you're a fresher. अब आपने एक जॉब एड देखा किसी न्यूज़पेपर में एंड देन यू स्टार्ट रिंगिंग टू द कंपनी. अब आपने फोन मिलाया उस कंपनी में. अब आपको पता नहीं आपने बात कैसे करनी है बिकॉज आप नए फ्रेशर हैं. तो यू शुड नो हाउ टू यूज बिजनेस लैंग्वेज व्हाइल ऑन द कॉल. बिकॉज दो टाइप की लैंग्वेज होती है फोन में. एक होती है फ्रेंड से, जब आप फ्रेंड से बात करते हैं. दूसरी होती है जब आप बिजनेस के सिलसिले में या अपनी जॉब के सिलसिले में किसी से बात करते हैं फोन में. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो आइए इसको समझते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट.
सिचुएशन नंबर 1, लेट सपोज आपको किसी कंपनी में कॉल करनी है और किसी से बात करनी है, राइट? सो हाउ वुड यू से, कैन आई टॉक टू मिस्टर कुमार? दिस इज नॉट द फॉर्मल वे, दिस इज सॉर्ट ऑफ इनफॉर्मल. सो द फॉर्मल वे वुड बी लाइक, can you connect me to Mr. Kumar and can you put me through to Mr. Kumar? So this is the right way when you look for somebody you want to talk to. अब वहाँ से कॉल आएगी, वहाँ से सवाल आएगा कि what is it regarding, किस संबंध में, okay, what are you looking for? So now what you have to say, a lot of people will say I want to talk to Mr. Kumar because I want to discuss something blah blah blah. This is not the formal way, okay? I'll tell you what is the formal way. The reason why I'm calling is to know about the job vacancy that was advertised on the newspaper last Sunday, or this is in connection with the job vacancy that was advertised on the newspaper last Sunday, and just a quick call to get an update on the job vacancy that was advertised on the newspaper last Sunday. So these are the phrases that you can use, and I think these are very nice, very nice. Use it. Situation number 2, you're very busy. You can't just talk to people through phone. So you would say, a lot of people would say, I'm so sorry I can't talk to you, can you please call me back later? So this might hurt people because this is as blunt as a knife, right? So how would you say? It's very simple. I'm so sorry, I'm just in the middle of something, can I call you back later in an hour? Okay. The second phrase that you can use is, I'm sorry, I'm just getting into my office and I'm really busy, can I just call you in a minute? Third, if it's okay with you, can I buzz you back later in the afternoon? I'm tied up at the moment. Is it okay if I call you back in 2 hours? Third situation, when somebody calls you up and asks, can I talk to him? But that person is not at home. So how would you say? You will say, I'm afraid he's not here at the moment. Can you please call us back later? Can I take your message? Do you have any message I can pass on? If the number is wrong, you can say, I'm so sorry, you have dialed the wrong number. Third phrase, you can say, I'm afraid he's on the other line. He's on the other line. Can you call us back later? You want to cancel something. You want to reschedule and reschedule something that you had agreed to. How would you say no? You can say, mind if I take a rain check on this upcoming farewell party? I cannot attend this, I have to rush because of some exigency. See, you cannot use this phrase every now and then. There has to be some extenuating circumstances, right? The second phrase that you can use with these situations, I'm so sorry, I have to call off this event. So this call off means cancel this event, right? The other phrase you can use, I'm so sorry, I have to X this event. I'm sorry, I have to opt out of this event. These were some handful of phrases. I got a lot to share with you guys. I'm left with some more phrases which I'll be covering up in the next video. Please subscribe to this.